have the lights on?
Hey. No, you don't have any cigarettes. No, there's not any. Oh, okay. Well, there's like this big lightning storm thing. It's close over here.
What?
What?
Like right into the tower.
I know, but we're at the house. And it's like right here by us.
Tower's right beside the tower.
It's right beside the tower over here. Maybe a little bit further. And I'm sitting here recording it on my camera.
Oh, but the bathroom works.
There's a big one over here.
Y'all can turn the lights on? No, it won't. Just leave it alone.
It's like every other second.
You know what? When your mom does it,
Oh, yeah. Anyways. Alright. I don't know. What time is it?
I don't know. You have a phone in your hand.
It doesn't show me the time while I'm talking on the phone.
It's 8:52.
8:52. Alright.
I love you, babe.
Alright. Bye. You always mess with me when I'm on the phone. There's a bug right there. Ashley Rivers! Get out of Greenwich's cancer!